At BESTREVIEWS, our expert reviewers spend thousands of hours researching, analyzing, and testing products to recommend the best picks for most consumers. We'll present our experts' take on the pros and cons of each product, plus point out our best of the best pick and our best value pick to help you decide which product is right for you.
The first maternity belt by Belly Bandit is our best of the best pick. Here are the pros. Extra soft and comfortable with no hard edges, bumps, or lumps. Below the belly design is less noticeable under clothing. Stretches and conforms to your shape for customized support. Provides back, hip, and abdominal support. Many owners notice immediate relief from aches and pains. Built-in pouch with hot/cold gel pack is a nice touch that can offer relief both during and after pregnancy. Here are the cons. It's expensive. Some issues with the Velcro straps losing grip after a while. The BESTREVIEWS bottom line. With its unrivaled comfort features, reliable support, and discreet design, this premium maternity belt covers all the bases. A hit with expectant moms who've tried cheaper varieties without success. We rated this AZMED Maternity belt as our best value pick. Here are the pros. Relieves hip, pelvic, and lower back pain through a combination of support and gentle compression while cradling the abdominal muscles. Wide, curved front doesn't shift or ride up as easily as others. Remains reasonably comfortable whether sitting or standing. Slim, streamlined design is easily concealed under clothing. Adjustable up to 46 inches, offering plenty of room for growth. Here are the cons. Adjusting the belt could be a little easier. Ladies with smaller bellies may be left with some excess fabric. The BESTREVIEWS bottom line. A popular and affordable maternity belt that delivers good support without adding extra bulk. A solid choice for budget-conscious buyers seeking dependable lower back and pelvic support. The next maternity belt by Lucy V is our third top pick. Here are the pros. Provides good lower back and abdominal support, reducing pressure and discomfort. Made from soft, breathable materials to help prevent sweating and skin irritation. Fully adjustable with a unique wraparound strap design that eliminates the problem of excess fabric. Nicely packaged. Includes 3 bra extenders in various colors. Here are the cons. Great for standing, walking, or even jogging. But it can ride up a bit when sitting. The BESTREVIEWS bottom line. This one-size-fits-all maternity belt boasts a comfortable design that's especially popular with active moms-to-be. Attractive packaging and a couple of extras make this an ideal gifting option. We ranked this Babo Care maternity belt at our 4th top pick. Here are the pros. Material is soft and stretchy with a breathable mesh-like texture for extra comfort. Mild compression and support helps improve posture and relieve stress on the back, pelvis, and abdominal muscles. Lightweight and comfortable enough for all-day wear. Easy to fasten and adjust. Here are the cons. May not be supportive enough during the last trimester. Flexible material can shift and bunch after a while. The BESTREVIEWS bottom line. If comfort is a priority and light support is all you need, this maternity belt offers more flexibility than similar models while still easing mild aches. This maternity belt by Diva is our final top pick. Here are the pros. Adds support and reduces pressure in the abdominal and lower back region to alleviate pain and discomfort. A blend of cotton and spandex does a good job of preventing moisture and offers comfortable flexibility for exercising, sitting, or day-to-day tasks. Mesh material is breathable. Includes 2 reusable nursing pads. Backed by a lifetime guarantee. Here are the cons. Fastening can be tricky. May not be supportive enough for severe pressure/pains. The BESTREVIEWS bottom line. A sturdy little maternity belt with great comfort and support features for the price. A decent lightweight option for exercising or warmer climates.
We hope our expert research and testing notes will simplify your purchasing decision and help you decide which product is right for you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to visit bestreviews.com for more in-depth product reviews.